Hi there, I just want to test this new microphone from Rode, the VideoMic Pro Plus, and I just want to check if the sound is good. I'm around 2 meters away. I'm not shouting, I'm talking on a moderate voice, and I'm not, raising up my voice. So the best way to test the microphone is if it can hear good ambient sound in front of it, behind, I don't know. This is the nth time I've tried to film this, so I'm like splurring words. So here it is. I'm going to test it using pork cracklings. Tell me if it's good or not. Does it sound good? Does it sound good or not? Hit me a message below if it sounds good or not. Well, what I know is this thing is good. Also, if you want to get some of these, I know where to get it from. Just hit me a message, I'll tell you where to get this from. It's good. Yeah, it's good.